Welcome back to Taste the World with Julia. Today we're gonna make kanelbullar, which is the traditional and typical Swedish cinnamon bun. They're a classic part of fika, the Swedish coffee break, and they're easier to make than they look. For the dough you will need 1 cup of milk, 405 grams of flour, 50 grams of sugar, 56 grams of unsalted butter, 2 teaspoons of ground cardamom, 7 grams of instant yeast, and 3/4 of a teaspoon of fine salt. Then, for the filling, you need 113 grams of unsalted butter, 100 grams of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of ground cinnamon, and 1 teaspoon of ground cardamom, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And for the topping, 1 egg whisked with a tablespoon of water plus pearl sugar. As it is hard to find pearl sugar in other countries, I will link my homemade pearl sugar video in the description. First, start by gently warming the milk and butter together. Then, in a large bowl, whisk together the flour, sugar, yeast, cardamom and salt. Then, pour in the warm milk and butter mixture and stir everything together. And then, turn it into a dough. Shape the dough into a ball, place it in a greased bowl, cover it and let it rise in a warm spot for about an hour, or until it's doubled in size. While you wait, stir together all the filling ingredients until you have a soft, spreadable paste. If you enjoy recipes from around the world, subscribe to Taste the World with Julia for a new one every week. Once the dough has risen, roll it out onto a floured surface into a rectangular shape. Then dot the filling across the dough and spread it evenly. Fold the dough into thirds like a letter. Then press out any bubbles and roll it out again. Slice the dough into long stripes about 2 centimeters wide. Take one stripe, twist it several times, and then loosely wrap it around 2 fingers twice and loop the end through to form a knot. Repeat with the rest. Cover the buns loosely with a clean towel and then let them rise again for 45 to 60 minutes. Heat your oven to 190 degrees Celsius top-bottom heat. Then brush each bun with the egg wash and sprinkle generously with pearl sugar. Bake for about 15 to 18 minutes until they're golden brown. Then let them cool for about 5 minutes and serve them warm. Swedish cinnamon buns are best enjoyed the same day, but as well you can freeze them. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Taste the Web with Julia for more easy baking recipes from around the world. Watch the next video here.